And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, this is a type of infrared satellite, geocolor satellite that uses band 3 and I believe 7 on one of our satellites that pivot around our planet. And what this is, it shows us where the low clouds and the fog are at night. You can use a regular infrared, and we can show you those on a map here nightly, but this gives us it's almost like a visible satellite. It's like an X-ray. And we can really see the leading edge of the low clouds and the fog. This is Carroll County. This would be Clinton, Boone, there's Montgomery, and here's Fulton County. Miami and Howard counties are covered in the low clouds and fog. It's all migrating westward. I wish we had this product in our graphics package here, because this is so useful to track fog and low clouds at night. And there's a pocket of some fog too up here near the Winnemac Airport from Lake Michigan. So it's all pivoting westward, and it's all due to the cold waters of Lake Erie and Lake Huron. Wind goes over those, and that cold, moist air moves westward, and that's how you get the low clouds, the fog, the frosty conditions as well. A slick spot or two as some of the moisture condenses on some surfaces. We'll drop to 26 to 28 tonight with all the low clouds and fog backing in from the east. Now tomorrow, tricky part. This is tricky, and it's looking increasingly tricky because this is what happened Saturday. The low clouds hung on too long and the fog hung on too long, so the temperature was a little cooler. I mean, it was 35 to 50 for highs, depending on where you were. And tomorrow, it may take some time to get rid of the low clouds and fog. So it may very well be kind of gray right through noon. And with that, you got to drop the temperature a little bit, going for a high of 46. In our northeast, where it stays foggy and gray longer, it's only going to be 41 at Rochester, 42 at Logansport. But in our southwest, like Saturday, more sun. So it's 52 at Petersburg, it's 49 at Attica, but we don't have to worry about that on Wednesday. The winds aren't out of the northeast or east anymore. They're south-southeast, so no lake influence. It's warmer. It's a 53, and we're near 50 to the mid-50s for highs viewing area wide. There is Futurecast. You can really see those low clouds coming in from the east. There we are. Here we are at midnight tonight, and there they back in from the east. Here we are even around mid-morning tomorrow. It takes time, but eventually we burn them off mid to late afternoon. Tomorrow night, though, we don't have to worry about that. The wind will turn to the south-southeast eventually, and there we are on Wednesday. These are just high and mid-level clouds that will filter the sun out a little bit. We become mostly cloudy Thursday, a wave of showers Thursday night, then a break. The sun comes out. We warm up near 60 to low, perhaps even a few mid-60s on Friday, and some scattered showers and thunderstorms may form along the cold front. That comes through. Main severe weather risk is down here. We will wait and see if we're able to get the risk of an isolated severe storm or two here. All right, 59 Thursday, 62 Friday. Windy though, 52 Saturday. We got to watch Sunday. There's rain just south of our area. We will wait and see if it can get far enough north to bring us rain. It's just unclear whether that's going to happen with a 50 on Monday. And then we got highs in the 40s. Still not so bad into next week.